So, are you looking to make money online in 2020? Well, in this video, I'll show you guys how to make money online quick and easy with an awesome website called M4jam. So, if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. Like this video if you like it, and with that being said, I'm IG7 Tech and let's get into App World. Now, for those of you that don't know, M4jam is a data capturing website that allows you to earn money for the information you provide them. Now, it's very simple. M4jam has clients that need information, and you as the jobber need to go out there and source that information so you can get paid. It is that simple, it is that easy, no fuss, no hassle. As long as you complete the missions or the campaigns that they have, then you will earn money within 2 to 3 days, depending on what the client wants. Every mission that you do is very specific, so you will find out when the missions are available, what you need to do to get yourself some coins in your pocket. Basically, it's very simple. You just, when a mission comes up, you just open the mission and then you read the statement, and if you like that job, then you press start on the start page and then you start the mission. It'll ask you some few questions and then it'll give you the questions that you need asked. Let's have an example. Like, let's say McDonald's opens a new franchise in your area and a client wants to know how is the service or how is the meal and stuff like that. So you go there, buy a simple meal that is not more than what you're going to get paid. Let's say you're going to get paid $60. This is an example. When you get paid $60, you go there, you buy yourself a meal for like $30 or 25, depending on how much it is nowadays, and then once you have done that, you also rate the service. Was the meal hot? Was the meal cold? Whatsoever the case may be. And then once you've got that information written down, or you know that information off by head, you'll come back to M4jam, and then after coming back to M4jam, then you'll give your honest opinion and say, this is what happened, the meal was hot, this is how long it took for it to get there, and this is how the service was. It is that simple. And you also need to have your GPS on so that they know that you went to that specific McDonald's or whatever the case may be. Now, it's not limited to just restaurants. You can also go to like construction companies and mini shops like spazas and stuff like that. So you will always get a job for when the need arises, whatever the client wants, and M4jam will provide it as a mission to you guys. Bear in mind that this is not a get rich quick scheme, so you will get jobs when you get them. It's not going to be quick, it's not going to be fast. If you're into the construction company business, yes, you might get more jobs than, let's say, the mall jobs, like restaurant jobs, because construction companies pop up every single time, and if you have the time and the reach to get there, it's much easier. But in terms of restaurants, it's much more convenient for a lot of people because we have a lot of restaurants around our areas, and if you don't, there always is other missions. You just have to wait for the right missions for you, which is that simple. Right now I've made 90 something rand. I withdraw 90 rand. Now I'm left with 5 rand in my account. Now the kicker is, if you use a promo code that I'll be linking in the description below, you'll get yourself a nice bonus when you sign up to M4jam. So if you want to sign up and get that bonus, use the promo code at the link in the description right now and start making some money, man. Jobs ain't coming easier out here. So anyway, we can make money without any hassle of being interviewed, being asked all sort of questions. You don't need to be the smartest person in the world You can do these jobs quick and easy, and it won't take you that much time. You have to at least understand a little bit of English, to articulate some of these things. But yeah, that's M4jam. So thank you guys for watching. This has been iSemTech. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. Like this video if you like it, and with that being said, I'm iSemTech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.